Today's tutorial, how to manage Excel named ranges in C#. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we'll learn how to add and manage named ranges in an Excel worksheet using the IronXL library in a .NET application. Before we begin, make sure you've installed IronXL via the NuGet package manager, set up the necessary imports and the IronXL license key. This is important for accessing the full set of features. We'll start by creating a new workbook and selecting the default worksheet where we want to define a named range. Next, we'll select a range of cells. For example, let's select the range from A1 to A5 in the worksheet. Now we can add a named range by assigning a name, such as range 1, to the selected range of cells. This allows us to reference that range easily later. So let's go ahead and save the workbook with the named range as AddNamedRange.xlsx. And after that, we can retrieve all the named ranges in the worksheet to see a list of named ranges that we've added. To verify, we can get the address of a specific named range, like range 1, and select the cells based on the named range. Finally, if needed, we can remove the named range from the worksheet. So let's go ahead and run the application to see how the named range is added to our Excel file. All right, and that's it. We can see the named range is added from A1 to A5. We now learn how to easily manage named ranges in Excel using IronXL, making it super convenient for referencing and manipulating data ranges. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. If you'd like to get started with IronXL, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Try it out for yourself.